Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss MOF paper solution for class 6th for stage 2, which was held on 9th of November 2025, part 1st, that is physics. So let's start with question number first. So let's move to the question number first. In question number first, a cyclist cover 240 meter in 36 seconds, then rest for 24 seconds. We have to find average speed over the entire minute is. So we know that the average speed is total distance traveled by total time. So total distance is 240 and total time is 36 plus 40, which is 60 seconds. So our correct answer will be 4 meter per second. So option number A is correct for question number first. Let's move to the next question. Question number 2. You must measure the diameter of a small marble. We have to measure diameter of a small marble, okay, with a 30 centimeter rule. Most accurate best method. We have to find accurate and best method. So we have our options. Option number A is read once from 0 and no. Read once from any mark, which is not accurate. C option, take many readings using end-to-end contact against a set square and average. Yes, this will be the correct and accurate method to find the diameter of a small marble. So our correct answer will be option number C. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. So in question number 3, which graph represent non-uniform motion? So what is the definition of non-uniform motion? Unequal distance travel in equal interval of time. So option first is straight line distance time graph. No. Curved distance time graph. Yes. Straight line. No. Straight line speed time graph horizontal. No. So our correct answer will be option number B for question number 3. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 4. So in question number 4, a horseshoe magnet is dipped into a iron filling cluster, mostly at the ends. The best explanation is gravity pulls filling ends. No. Fields is strongest near the poles. Yes. Magnet is heavier at ends. No. Fillings dislike the middle. No. So our correct answer will be option number B for question number 4. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 5. So in question number 5, we have a 3 statement. So we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So statement first, a runner can have 0 displacement and non-zero distance. Yes, it can be possible. Average speed can be negative if the body never moved. No, this is wrong. Average velocity can be 0 if the body has traveled non-zero distance. Yes, it can be possible. So our correct option will be T, F, T. So the option will be the correct answer for question number 5. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 6, which is based on column first to column second. We have to match column first with column 2. So P, short S for a magnet, that is repulsion. So P is matched with 3. Keepers on a horseshoe magnet provide close path and reduce demagnetization. So 2. Compass near current carrying wire show the deflection. So R is matched with first. Magnetism stroking aligns domain in steel. So we have a correct sequences 3, 2, 1, 4. So our correct answer will be option A for question number 6. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7 and 8. Both the question are based on same paragraph. So in paragraph, a freely suspended magnet always aligns itself in north-south direction because the earth itself acts as a magnet with its magnetic south pole near the geographic north and magnetic north pole near the geographic south. The angle between the magnet meridian, the direction a magnet shows, and the geographic meridian, true north-south, at a place is called the magnetic declination. Okay, so in question number 7, a compass placed near a metallic object gives a wrong reading because why? Metal blocks light needed for compass movement? No. The metallic object creates its own magnetic field that destroy Earth's magnetic field? Yes, because compass is a small magnet. So question number 8 is the reason Earth behaves like a magnet is mainly due to. So correct answer will be the movement of molten iron and nickel in the outer core. So correct option will be option number C for question number 8. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 9. So question number 9 is multiple choice. So in that question more than one statement can be correct. So let's start the question. Which of the following statement is or are correct reading magnetics and magnetic field? Okay, so option first A is magnetic field lines are closer where the field is stronger. Yes, it can be. A magnet always has isolated north pole if it cut carefully. No, a single pole cannot be exist in a magnet. Induced magnetism in soft iron is temporary. Yes. A compass show the direction geographic south and geographic north pole current in a wire directly. No, this is wrong. So we have a correct option, that is A and C for question number 9. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 10, which is last question of part physics. Which of the following statement are correct about the measurement and motion? So this is also multiple type question. So in that question there will be more than one option may be correct. So let's start. Using the backward forward zero error method reduce rural chip error. Yes, it is true. Measuring a curved path with a thread, then straightening it, improve accuracy. Yes, it can be. Odometer measures instantaneous speed. No, odometer is a device which is used to measure distance traveled. Speed time area under the graph equals to distance. Yes. So we have a correct options is A, B and D for question number 10. So these are the solution of part physics. I hope you get your answer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Matrix Olympiad channel. Now we are here to discuss about the chemistry MOF paper solution for class 6 stage 2. So let's begin with the first question, and the first question is: so a rectangular block of substance X has length of 20 cm, breadth is 10 cm and the height is 5 cm. Then mass of the block is 2.7 kg. If density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, then which of the following statement is correct? So we know density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. We don't know about the density of the block. So first we have to find density of block. So density of block, the formula is mass upon volume. So mass is 2.7 kilogram upon volume. We know the formula of volume is L into B into H. So we put the value of in this formula. So length of the block is 20 centimeter then breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Now we are going for the calculation. The calculation is 2.7 kilogram divided by 1000 centimeter cube. But density of the water is in gram per centimeter cube. We have to change this value into the gram per centimeter cube. Change into the gram, and the again is 1000 centimeter cube. So cut 1000 into the 1000 and value is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. So we find the value of density of the block, and here density of the water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So we know the density of the block is high. Density of the block is high, so it will sink into the water. So the block will sink into the water as its density is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. So the correct option is B. Now, and the next question, what is the correct observation when milk is boiled? Option A, milk and water are separated. No. A layer of cream is separated as upper layer. Yes. And the option number C, some solids are precipitate. No. No, some solids are not precipitate. Milk turns yellow and thick. No, we know yellow and thick. So the correct answer is option number B. Now going with the next question. Ron was helping his mother in the kitchen. He accidentally mixed a packet of salt and packet of mustard seed. His mother asked him to separate them. Which of the following method would be the most effective and practical for Rohan to use? So in this mixture, we have salt plus mustard seed. If you want to separate salt and mustard seed, now let's read the options. Adding the mixture to water, right? If we mix salt into the water, then if we filtering it, then we want to separate mustard seed, it is possible, and evaporating it. By the evaporation, we separate soluble solids plus water. So in this question, maybe option A is correct, but option B is adding the mixture to water and decanting it. No, decantation is used by the insoluble solid, and we have soluble solid, that is salt. So option number B is wrong, and the option number C, picking out the mustard seed one by one with his hand, it is impossible. And option number D, using the principle of winnowing. No, winnowing is used in the by the help of wind. So the correct option is option number A. Now come with the next question. Next question is, which of the following is not the method of separation? We know solvent extraction is a method of separation. Sieving, no. Sieving is not a method of separation. Sieving is stitching. Option number C, centrifugation. We know centrifugation is also a method of separation. Option number D, fractional distillation. Fractional distillation also a method of separation. So the correct answer is not a method of separation. The option number B. Now let's come to the next question. Question number 15. Which of the following statement is true and false? First statement. Wood floats on water because it is lighter than water. We know this statement is true. Gold is harder than iron. We know gold is harder than iron. No, it is false. Materials can be solid, liquid or gas. We know materials can be solid, liquid or gas. So it is also true. So the correct option is TFT. So the option B is correct answer. Let's come with the next question. Match column 1 and column 2 and the select correct answer using the codes given below. Mirror. We know mirror is opaque and brittle. So we can write first here. PVC. PVC is hard, shiny and ductile. No. hard, shiny and ductile is gold. We know it is a property of metal. So option 2 is here. Now come again to the PVC. PVC is insulator and lightweight. Yes, we know PVC is not a fluid and transparent. So we can write here 3. Now air. We know air is fluid and transparent. So it is 4. So sequence is first, third, 2 and 4. First, the option is D. So in this question, the option is D. Now come with the next question. Paragraph for question 17 and 18. First, we read the paragraph. Grouping not only make it easy to understand the properties better, it also make it convenient to identify the most suitable ones out of them and locate them easily. Such grouping save time and efforts in copying with our word and help us to locate or select the right material or items. Dividing materials into groups make it convenient to study their properties in groups and make a specific pattern. Now we read the question. We can classify matter on the basis of option number A, living and non-living things. Yes, it is also correct. Conductivity with the on the basis of conductivity, the matter is insulator or conductor. The option B is also correct. Now come with the option C, solubility. We read about the soluble or insoluble substance. So solubility is also the classifying matter on the basis of solubility. So A, B, C and D, all the options are correct. So option D, all of these is the answer of this question. Now come with the next question. Question number 18. On the basis of density, which of the following objects do not float on water? Do not float on water. What do you think? Sand is float on water? No, sand is sink in water. So do not float. Do not float means, okay, sawdust is float on water. Sugar crystal is also sink in water. And gold ring is also sink in water. So in this question, it is asked, do not float. So sand, sugar and crystal. The option is first, third and fourth. First, third and fourth. It is option A. Now come with the next question. In the process of distillation, how is the pure water steam finally collected? In the distillation process, there are two separating techniques. First is evaporation and second is condensation. So this is the MCQ. So here there are one more, multiple options are correct. First technique is evaporation and the second technique is condensation. Pure water steam finally collected. So after the evaporation method, we have to condense then steam vapor. By filtering it? No. By condensing it? Yes. By freezing it? No. By cooling it? Correct. So in this question, option B and option D is the right answer. Now come with the next question. A student is given 4 different material P, Q, R, S. Their observations are noted below. Material P is lustrous, malleable and a good conductor of heat. Material P is lustrous, malleable, a good conductor of heat. Material Q is dull, brittle and a poor conductor of heat. Material R is lustrous, hard and heavier than water. Material S is dull, soft and insoluble in water. Based on these properties, which material is most like a material is most likely a metal? So metal P, Q, R, S. We have to find metal. So what was the property of the metal? Metal is lustrous. Yes. Metal is malleable. Yes. Metal is a good conductor of heat. So maybe material P. And the next, material is dull, brittle and poor conductor of heat. No, we know metal is a good conductor of heat. And the material R is lustrous, hard and heavier than water. Yes. Material S is dull, soft and insoluble in water. No. So in this question, answer is material P and material R. So we can take at option A and option C. So in this question, answer is A and C. So these are the all question of the Chemistry class 6. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel and kindly like and share. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 6th biology. Let's start. First question for biology. Read the given statement and identify the component of food. First, required in very less amount in our diet. Its source are all cereals, potato, meat and fish. It is required for proper functioning of digestive system. Its deficiency may lead to pellagra, relate to skin disease. These are the statement. And option A vitamin K, option B vitamin B3, option C vitamin A and D vitamin B1. Option B vitamin B3 niacin is right answer for 21 question. Next question is, in children suffering from disease X is a disease, bone disease, become soft, get bent and deformed. Such children have bow leg and pigeon type chest. In this diagram, relate with bones. Identify the disease X. According to this situation, disease X is rickets that relate to bones. So, according to option, our right answer is option D. Option D is right. Scurvy wrong, anemia wrong, goiter wrong, disease rickets, option D is right. Next, read the following statement and select the correct option for first and second. First is the disease in which sufficient oxygen is not supplied to the cell of body. In anemia, oxygen is not supplied. In anemia, number of RBC decreased, so oxygen is not supplied to cell of the body. Have a maximum amount of carbohydrates, small amount of protein and very small amount of vitamin and minerals. So, according to statement, our right answer is relate with anemia and second option relate with nutrient, that is cereals. So, option A is right, anemia and cereal. First relate with anemia, second relate with cereals. Option A is right. Next question is, the arrow in the diagram, this arrow, this type of arrow, upward and downward. In the diagram below show the movement of air in the plant, no. Food to all part of the plant, that is right. Water transfer from xylem and unidirectional, but food transport is multidirectional, upward or downward. So C is wrong. Carbon dioxide to all parts of the plant, that is wrong. So option B is right for this question. In xylem, a process of water transport in one direction, and in phloem, food transport in different multi-direction. So right option is option B. Next, which of the following statement are true or false? First, sodium is a mineral present in common salt and required for the proper function of neural system. That is right, because sodium present in salt and relate with nervous system. Next, caustic soda. Caustic soda solution is used to test presence of sugar in food sample. Wrong. Anemia, goiter and rickets are disease caused by deficiency of vitamin. That is wrong. So, according to statements, our right answer is true, false and false. And our right option is true, false, false in option C. Option C is right for this question. Next, match column first and second. First column, mango relate to flowering plant. Mango relate to flowering plant. Frog, amphibian. P match with third. Q match with 1. Whale, aquatic mammal. R match with second, and mushroom, non-green plant formed from fungus. S 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1, 2, 4 in option C. Option C is right for this question. Next, this is mushroom. Next, paragraph question. Pritika grouped living organism, both plant and animal, based on the habitat in which they are found. She made 3 groups of 3 members, each has shown here, first, second and third. In doing so, she put some organism wrong in group. Mean to say, these are the 3 group, and some in arrangement, some animals are wrong arranged in group. Identify the mistake done by her and answer the question that follow. Select the option that correct the mistake of Pritika. Pine tree of group first. Pine tree group first should interchange with the lineage of the group third. No. B, orchid of second should be replaced by cactus. That is right. Option B. Option B is right for this question. Next. What challenge do animal of group second face in their habitat? Extremely cold climatic condition, soil with no air and water, scarcity of water. Option C is right for this question. Next question. Which of the following is the correct example of structural adaptation in animal? Option A desert fox losing excess heat through its large ear. That is right. Option B, monkey using strong long limb tail for grasping branches. That is right. Next, polar bear balancing itself on its paw with stiff ear. That is right. And last, toucan has developed sticky pad on its feet to help it to reach the fruit on branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. That is wrong. So, according to MCQ, multiple correct question, A, B and C right. Correct example right for structural adaptation in animal. Next, which of the following statement are true? Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet, right? Rickets and scurvy are vitamin deficiency disease, right? A balanced diet should contain a variety of food, right? 4 bowl full of protein rich food provide much more energy than 4 bowl full carbohydrate rich food. That is wrong. So, according to option A, B and C option is right for this question. These are the all solution for biology. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to Matrix Olympiad. So today we discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 6 for mathematics subject. So let's start. So here we have question number 31st, that is in the given figure AB divides angle DAC. So here we have angle DAC in the ratio 1:3. Okay, and AD is equal to AB. It means AD is equal to AB. It means that angle, this angle and this angle are also equal because triangle ADB is a isosceles triangle. Now we have to find the value of x. It means we have to find the value of x. So we know, first we convert the ratio in the form of angle. So we know, let first is x and another is 3x. So we can say this one is x and this one is 3x. Now we can say here we have a straight line and the sum of angle is 180 degree. So on a straight line, so I can write here 108 plus x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. So we know x plus 3x which is equal to 4x is equal to 180 minus 108. So here we can say that the value of 4x is equal to 180 minus 108. So here we can say that 72. So now the value of x is equal to 72 upon 4, that is 18. So here we can say that the value of x is 18. It means this angle is 18 and this angle is 18 3 ja 54. So this one is 18. So this angle and this angle is also equal. So let's assume this one is y. So we can say this one is also y. So y plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. Now again we can say that y plus y, here we have 2y which is equal to 180 minus 18. So 2y is equal to, here we can say that 162 degree. So now the value of y is equal to 162 divided by 2. So now we can say that y is equal to 81. Okay, we know this one is 81 and the sum of this angle and this angle is equal to this one. So here we can say that 81 plus 18 which is equal to 99. So here this angle is 99. So now we have to find this angle. So we can say that 54 plus 99. So here I can write 54 plus 99 which is equal to 9 plus 4 13, carry 1, 9 1 10 or 153. So here we have interior angle of a triangle is 180. So I can write here 180 minus 153. So here we can say that 27 degree. So the value of x here we get which is 27 degrees. So here it means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is the average of 4 and 3 by 5, 2 and 2 by 5, 6 and 8 by 9, 7 and 7 by 15 and 9, 3 and 3 by 9. So here we have to find the average. So first we know average which is equal to the sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So here I can write 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 3, 23 upon 5 plus 6 2 ja sorry, 3 2 6, 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3 plus 9 6 54, 54 plus 8, 62 upon 9 plus 15 7 105, 105 plus 7, 112 upon 15 plus 9 3 27, 27 plus 3, 30 upon 9. We know the sum of all other observations divided by number of observations. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5. So now here we take LCM, which is 90, and now, so I know when we divided by 5, so here we get 18. So 23 multiply 18 plus sign plus, here we know 8 multiply by 30 plus, here we take 62 multiply by 10 plus 112 multiply by 6 and plus 30 multiply by 10 and divided by again 5. So now when we multiply here, so 18 3 54, here we get 5, so 18 2 36 and 36 plus 5, which is 41 plus sign 18 3 24, 24 plus 0 0. Okay, here we get 620 and plus 6 2 12, carry 1, here we get 672 plus 300 divided by 90 upon divided by 5. So next step, when we simplify it, when we add all these numbers, so here we get 4 plus 2, here we get 6, 0 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 1 14. Again we get carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 over 6 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 4 22 and divided by 9 multiplied by 5, 4 50. When we simplify it, so I can write here 1 1 2 3 upon 225. So let's check which option is correct. So here this is not possible, this is also not possible, this one is not possible. So here we can say that option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is 2 meter broad pathway is to be constructed around a rectangular plot on the inside. Okay, here we have a rectangular plot and we construct a 2 meter path inside the plot. Okay, the area of plot is 96 meters square. Here we are given area of plot, which is 96 meters square, and the rate is also given, which is 50 rupees per meter square, and we have to find the cost of construction. Here we have given area, but here we don't know the length and breadth of the rectangular plot, so we can say that the data is insufficient. Okay, so here we can say the data is inadequate. It means option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is if 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4th part of a journey takes 10 minutes. Okay, then complete 3 by 4th of that journey it will takes. So first we have to simplify this one. So before simplifying this, we have to simplify this part. Okay, so we know, first we simplify this one. So we know 2 plus 1 divided by 4 upon 1. Okay, so we can say that 4 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. So here I can write 4 upon 9. Then we take 3. So I can write here 3 plus 4 upon 9. It means 9 3 27, 27 plus 4 31. So I can write here 1 plus 9 upon 31. When we simplify again, I can write here 40 upon 31. Okay, so now we can say that 4 minus 5 upon 40 upon 31. So when we simplify, I can write here 4 minus 5 multiply 31 upon 40. So here I can write 4 minus 5 1 5, 5 3 15 upon 40. So here I can say, when I simplify it, 4 4 16 minus 155 upon 40, it means 5 upon 40, it means 1 upon 8. It means the 1 upon 8 part 1 upon 8 part takes 10 minutes. Okay, so I can write one part complete take 80 minutes, and we have to find the 3/4 part. So for 3/4 I can write 3/4 part multiply by 80. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 80. It means we get 60 minute. So here it means 60 minutes. Here it means option number D is the correct answer over here. Okay. So now if I talk about the next question, which is if A is equal to -1 multiply -1 multiply -1 and so on 100 times. Okay. And B is equal to -1 multiply -1 multiply -1 and 95 times. So here we have to find the value of A plus B. Here we know the -1 is the even multiples. Okay, so we can set the value of A is equal to +1, and here we know the -1 odd multiples, it means 95 times. So here we can set the value of A, B is equal to -1. So here we have to find the value of A plus B. For A plus B we know 1 plus bracket -1. So here 1 plus minus -1. So 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So if I talk about the next question, that is if the mean of A, B, C, D, E, F and X, Y, Z, it means here we have 26 terms, each beta, then A minus beta plus B minus beta plus C minus beta plus X minus beta plus Y minus beta plus Z minus beta is equal to. Okay, so we know here we have given mean. So we know mean is equal to the sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So here I can write A plus B plus C plus D and last X plus Y plus Z divided by 26, which is equal to beta. So here I can write A plus B plus C plus D and X plus Y plus Z is equal to 26 beta. Okay, and we have to find the value of A minus B beta plus B minus beta plus C minus beta and X minus beta, Y minus beta, Z minus beta. So here I can write A minus beta plus B minus beta plus C minus beta and last X minus beta, Y minus beta and Z minus beta. So here we can say that A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z minus how many times beta are here? So 26 times. So I can write here 26 beta. So we know the value of A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z is equal to 26 beta. So here I can write here 26 beta minus 26 beta. So we know 26 beta which is equal to 0. So it means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is a rope of length 21 and 1/2 meter is cut into equal pieces of 2 and 3/20 meter each. So find the number of pieces. So here we have given length which is 21 and 1/2. So here I can write here 21 to 42, 42 plus 1, 43 upon 2 meter. That is total length, and the length of each piece is length of each piece, which is 2 and 3/20. It means 43/20. Here we have to find the number of pieces. So number of pieces is equal to total length 43/2 divided by length of each one piece, that is 43/20. So when I simplify it, 43 cancel out. So here I can write 20/2. that is 10. So number of pieces is 10. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is solve the following. So we can solve this question with the help of word mass rule. So here we have given 242 minus 360 minus 620 divided by 180 plus 7 multiply 2 minus 10. Okay, so this one is a small bracket. So now again we can write 242 minus 360 minus 620 divided by curly bracket 180. So when I simplify it, here we get minus 8 and 8 7 ja 56. So here we get minus 56. Okay, so again I can write 242 minus 360 minus 620 divided by 124. Okay, so first we have to simplify this one. So here we get 5. So I can write 242 minus 360 minus 5. So the next step is 242 minus, here we get 355. So here when we simplify it, we get minus 113. So it means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which of the following statement are true and false? Here we have given some statements which we can solve with the help of again word mass rule. Okay, so now here first we have 46 minus 10 plus 10 multiply 5. So we know 46 minus 10, that is 36, and 10 multiply 5, which is 50. So when we simplify it, here we get 86. So this one is false. So first here we have false. Second, 265 plus 11 minus 2 multiply 14. So here I can write 265 plus 11 minus 14 to ja 28. So here I can write 265 minus, here we get, that is 17. So when we simplify it, we get like 2, 4 and 8. 2, 4, 8 not possible. So again we can say this one is also false. If I talk about the third, which is 66 multiply 3, here we get 198. And when we simplify it, here we get plus 1, that is 199. It means this one is true. It will be true. Last, so 2 minus 16 multiply 4. When we simplify it first, here we get 4. So I can write here 2 multiply 16 4 ja 64, which is equal to minus 62. It means this one is also true. So the correct option is false, false, true and true. So here we have false, false, true and true. It means option number D is the correct answer. So if I talk about the next question, that is which of the following statement is true and false. So first statement, here we have the mean of PQR is same as the mean of Q, 2R and S. Then P is equal to R plus S. So we know mean, that is sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So we know sum of all observation divided by number of observation is equal to, again, sum of all observation divided by number of observations. So we know 3 to 3 cancel out. Here we have Q to Q cancel out. So I can write here P plus R is equal to 2R plus S. From here we can say that P is equal to R plus S. P is equal to R plus S. It means first statement is true. So if I talk about the next, in a bar graph, the height of a bar graph is proportional to the mode of the data. So this one is false. Okay. If I talk about the next, in a bar graph, if a bar of height 4 cm represent 28 units. So here we have 4 cm, which is represent 28 units. It means 1 cm, which is represent 7 units. Now we have to find the 450 cm. So I can write here 450 cm. 7 multiplied by 50, which is equal to 350 units. So this one is true. So last, in a bar graph, a bar of length 3.2 centimeter represent 96 units. So again, 3.2 centimeter represent 96 units. So we know 1 centimeter, which is represent 96 upon 3.2. When we remove decimal, here we take multiply by 10. So 32 1 ja 32 and 32 3 ja 96. So I can write here that is 30 units. Now here we have to find for 2.1 centimeter. So for 2.1 I can write here 2.1 multiply by 30. When we remove point, we take divided by 10. So 0 to 0 cancel out. So here I can write 21 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 63 units. So this one is true. So I can write here true. It means the correct option is true, false, true, true. So true, false, true, true. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now, if I talk about the next question, which is based on match the column, and here we have column 1 and here we have column 2. So first we have to solve P. So I can write P is equal to, when we take the LCM of 2 and 3, which we get 6, and so I can write here 2 plus 3 upon 6. The mean of each multiply, so I can write here by 6. So 6 to 6 cancel out. The value of P here we get, that is 5. Now if I talk about the Q, that is the LCM of 3 and 6, here we get 6, and I can write a 3 to just 6. So 2 plus 1 multiply by, here we get 18. Okay, so I can write here Q is equal to 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18, and 2 plus 1 3, 3 multiplied by 3 9. So the value of Q is equal to 9 and the value of P is equal to 5. So next R, when we take LCM 4 and 3, which is we get 12, and 4 plus 3 7. So 7 upon 12 multiplied by 12. So 12 to 12 cancel out. The value of R here we get, that is 7. Next, as we take the LCM of 5 and 6, which is 30. So 30, 6 plus 5 11 multiplied by 30. So 30 to 30 cancel out. The value of S here we get, that is 11. Similarly, we solve the column second. In column second, first we have 3.4 minus 1 upon 3 bracket close of 12. So first we take LCM of 4 and 3, that is 12. So I can write here 4 3 is 12, 3 multiplied by 3 9 minus 4 of 12. So 12 to 12 cancel out, we get the result, that is 5. If I talk about the second one, we take the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So I can write here 6, and 5 3 is 15 minus 4 multiplied by 6. So 6 to 6 cancel out, 15 minus 4, that is 11. If I talk about the third, that is the LCM of 5 and 4, we get 20. And here we take 5 plus 4 multiply by 20. So 20 to 20 cancel out. So I can write here 9. Next, fourth, here we take LCM of 4 and 6, which we get 12, and 4 3 is 12 and 3 3 is 9 minus 2 multiply by 12. So 12 to 12 cancel out. When we subtract it, here we get, that is 7. So check the value of P 5 and the value of 1. It means P is connected to 1. So I can write here P is connected to 1. Next, the value of Q is equal to 9, and here we have 9 in third. It means Q is connected to third. Now if I talk about the R, the value of R is equal to 7, and here we have 7 in fourth. So I can write R is connected to fourth. And S, the value of S is equal to 11, and here we have in second we get 11. So here we have second. So the correct option is 1 3 4 2. So 1 3 4 2. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, match column 1 and column second and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have a figure. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle and ADEF is a square. So the area of triangle ADE is 4/9 square centimeter and CE is equal to 2DE. So first we draw this diagram here. So I can write here. This is a diagram. Here we have A, B, C, D, and this is E, and here we have F. So here we have given ABCD is a rectangle and ADEF is a square. So ADEF is a square. It means that in a square all sides are same. So this and this side is same. And here we are given the area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle, we draw a line segment AE. So area of triangle AD is equal to 49/2 square centimeter. So we know this triangle is the half part of square. So I can say area of square is equal to 2 times of area of triangle ADE. So I can write here 2 multiply 49/2, that is 49 square centimeter. That is the area of square. We know area of square is equal to side multiply side. So the side we get, that is 7. It means the length of DE 7. This one is also 7. Now next here we have given CE is equal to 2 times of DE. So CE, this is 2 times of DE. It means this one is the 14. So here we have this one is also 7. So now here we have P, that is the perimeter of the square ADEF. ADEF, perimeter of square we know 4 into side. So 4 into side, and the side here we have given, that is 7. So 4 multiply 7, that is 28. So 28, it means P is connected to 2. So I can write here P is connected to 2. Next, the area of square ADEF. ADEF, we already find the area of square, that is 49 square centimeter. So 49, it means Q is connected to 4. So I can write here Q is connected to 4. Or the perimeter of a rectangle ABCD, we know perimeter is equal to bracket length, here we are given 14 plus 7 21, breadth here we are given 7. So 2 multiply 21 plus 7, that is 28. So 28 multiplied by 2, here we get 56. It means R is connected to 1. So I can write here R is connected to 1. And last here we have S, the area of rectangle ABCD. So we know area of rectangle, that is length multiplied breadth, and the length here we have 21. So 21 multiplied by 7, that is 147. It means S is connected to 3. So I can write here S is connected to 3. So 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3. It means option number A is the correct answer. Okay. So now if I talk about the next question, that based on paragraph, and the paragraph is A is neither positive nor negative. So here we know the value of A is equal to 0, and B is minus mode of minus 8. So I can write B is equal to, the mode of minus 8 is 8, and here we get minus 8, and the value of C, here we get the absolute value of minus 12, and we know the absolute value of minus 12 is 12. So now first question here we have to find the value of A plus B plus C, the mode of A plus B plus C. So I can write here mode of, the value of A, here we get 0, the value of B, here we get minus 8, and the value of C, here we get 12. Okay, when we simplify it, 0 minus 8 plus 12, so we get mode of 4. The mode of 4, that is 4. It means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, when we compare 2B, A and 4C, so which statement is right? So we know 2B is equal to 2 multiply minus 8, it means minus 16. A, which is already 0, and 4C, 4 multiply by 12, that is 48. So when we compare these three, so I can write here minus 16, 0 and 48. Okay, so I can write here minus 16, which is the value of 2b. So I can write here 2b, which is greater than a, which is greater than 4c. So check which option is correct. 2b, a, 4c. Because option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question again, which is based on paragraph, and the question is, sorry, the paragraph is, there are 3 angles. The second angle is 1/3 of the complement of the first angle. So let first angle be x. Okay, so second angle is 1/3 of the complement of first angle. So 1/3 of the complement of first angle. Okay, and the third angle is, so I can write here third angle, that is third angle is half of the supplement of the first angle. So third angle is half of the supplement of the first angle, and the third angle is 6 times the second angle. Here we have given third angle is 6 times the second angle. So third angle here we have given 1/2 180 minus x is equal to 6 times of second angle. So with this statement we can find the value of x, and we have to find the first angle. Okay, so when we simplify it, I can write 180 divided by 2, that is 90, minus x upon 2 is equal to 180 minus 2x. Okay, so I can write here 2x minus x upon 2 is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degree. So I can write here 2 to the 4, 4 minus 3, so 3x upon 2, which is equal to 90. So the value of x here we get 90 multiplied to divided by 3. So 3 3 is 9, 30. So the value of x here we get 60 degree. So the first angle here we get, that is 60 degree. It means option number B is the correct answer. So now next question, that is find the sum of all 3 angles. So the value of x here we get first angle, which is 60 degree, and for second angle, that is 1/3 of the complement of first angle. So I can write here 1/3 multiply 30, that is 10 degree, and the third angle is 1/2 of supplement of first angle. So I can write here 1/2 multiply 120, which is 60 degree. So we have to find the sum. So for sum we know 60 plus 10 degree. So 60 plus 60, 120, 120 plus 10, that is 130 degree. So the sum of 3 angle is, here we get 130 degree. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, observe the following diagram. Which of the following statement are correct? So here we have multiple correct question. Okay, so here more than 2 answers should be correct. Okay, so here we have a line, and P, Q, R, S, T are the points. So I can write here P, Q, R, S are collinear. So P, Q, R, S are collinear. Yes, this one is correct. Next, P, S, T are collinear. P, S, T. Yes, this one is also collinear. T, R, T are collinear. Yes, T, R, T. This one is also collinear. P, R, T are perpendicular. No, P, R, T is also collinear points. So here option number A, B, and C are correct. So now if I talk about the next question, a decimal number 0.191 is given. Identify the correct statement regarding it. So first statement here we have 0.191 is less than 0. No, this one not possible. The second is the place value of the digit 9 in 0.191 is 100th. Yes, this one is true. So what, 10th, 100th. So this one is true. So yeah, correct. It means option number B is correct. Next, the decimal 0.191 when 100 of 2 decimal place becomes 0.19. This one is also true. Next, the decimal 0.191 is read as 0.191. This one is also true. So here B, C, D are the correct answer. So if I talk about the next question, the ratio of height and base of a triangle is 5:7, whose area is 280 centimeter square. Okay, so we know area of triangle, that is 1/2 base multiply height, which is equal to 280. Now base here we have given, base here we have given 7 and height we have given 5. So I can write here 1/2, that is 7x multiply 5x is equal to 280. So 7 5 ja 35, x square is equal to 280 multiplied by 2. So the value of x square equal to 280 multiplied by 2 upon 35. So I can write here 7 5 ja 35, here we get 40, 5 1 ja 5, 8 5 ja 40. So the value of x square equal to 16, and here we get the value of x is equal to 4. Now we have to find the, so first height is equal to 20 centimeter. So here we assume height, that is 5x. So I can write height equal to 5 multiply 4, that is 20 centimeter. It means this one is correct. Second, base is 28 centimeter. So we know base, we assume that is 7x, and the value of x here we have 4. So 7 multiplied by 4, that is 7 4 ja 28 centimeter. This one is also true. Now height and this one is false. So here A and B are the correct answer. So if I talk about the next question, the total surface area of a cube is 54 square unit. Then the length of the edge. We know total surface area of cube, that is 6 multiply side square, that is 54. So side here we get, that is 54 divided by 6. Okay, side square is equal to, here we get 9, and the side here we get, that is 3. So 3 is a rational number. We can say this one is true. Irrational number, no. Odd number, yes. Even number, no. So correct option is A and C. Okay. So if you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to this channel. We are here to discuss the solution of logical reasoning section. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. In a line, Varun is 14th place from the front and Vijay is 17th from the back. Mary is exact in between Varun and Vijay. If Varun is ahead of Vijay and there are 48% in that line, how many persons are there between Varun and Mary? In a line, position of Varun from the front is 14th and position of Vijay from the back is 17 and Mary is exact in between Varun and Vijay. So in this question, first find the number of mid person in between Varun and Vijay. So position of Varun from the left is 14 and position of Vijay from the right is 17, and there are total 48 person. So if total is greater than to left position of first person plus right position of second person, then number of mid person is equals to, so number of mid person is equals to total minus left position of first person plus right position of second person. So total number of person is 48 minus left position of first person is 14 plus right position of second person means Vijay is 17. So 48 minus 14 plus 17 means 31. 48 minus 31 it means 17. So there are 17 person in between Varun and Vijay, and Mary is exact in between Varun and Vijay. So find the position of Mary from the Varun or Vijay. So position of Mary from the Varun or Vijay is equals to mid person is 17 plus 1 divided by 2. 17 plus 1 it means 18 divided by 2 it means 9. So position of Mary is 9th from the Varun and position of Mary is 9th from the Vijay. And now find the number of mid person in between Varun and Mary. So find the number of mid person in between Varun and Mary. Mary is placed 9th from the Varun. So it means there are 8 person in between Varun and Mary. So here A is the correct answer of this question. So here option A is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. 5 boys P, Q, R, S and T scored different marks. P scored more than R but less than to S. P scored more than to R but P scored less than to S. Less than to S. Now second information is T scored less than Q. T scored less than to Q but more than to S. T scored more than to S and Q scored highest. Q scored highest. Now combine these two information, then we get a sequence. Q scored highest, after Q next is T, after T next is S, after S next is P, after P next is R. So now question is who scored the lowest? So R scored the lowest. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. In this question, choose the correct mirror image of figure X from amongst the 4 alternatives when the mirror is held at MN. Here is mirror. Now find the mirror image of given figure X. So as we know, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So this part is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror, or mirror image of this part will look something like this. And find the mirror image of this part. So mirror image of this part will look something like this. Now find the mirror image of this part. So this part, mirror image of this part will look something like this. So this is the correct mirror image. So here option D, because option D shows the correct mirror image of given figure X. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Starting from a point P, Shiv walked 20 meter towards south. Then he turns left and walked 30 meter. He then turns left and walked 20 meter. He again turned left and walked 40 meter and reached a point Q. How far and in which direction is point Q from the point P? as we know, there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now question is, starting from a point P, starting from a point P. P is the starting point of Shiv. Now Shiv walked 20 meter towards south. He walked 20 meter towards south. And then turn left. And then turn left. And walked for 30 meter. And walked for 30 meter. After that, he turns to his left. He turned to his left and walked 20 meter. So he goes 20 meter. Now he again turned left and walked 40 meter and walked 40 meter. And so this is the 30, and after 30 now he goes 10 meter more. So this is the 30 and reach a point Q. This is the final point of Shiv. Now how far and in which direction is point Q from the point P? So find the distance between P and Q, because P is the starting point and Q is the final point. So now find the distance between starting point and final point is equals to, total is 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30, it means 10. So 10 meter. So distance between P and Q is 10 meter. Now in which direction is point Q from the point P? So now find the direction of Q from the point P. So point Q is in, this is the west direction of P. So point Q is in the west direction from point P. So here 10 meter west is the correct answer of this question. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. In this question, find the correct water image of given arrangement of letters and numbers. So find the water image of given combination. So first find the water image of A. So water image of A will look something like this. So this is the water image of A. Now water image of B. So water image of B will look something like this. Now water image of 4 will look something like this. Now water image of 5 will look something like this. Water image of C look like this. Now water image of D looks something like this. And water image of 6, this is the water image of 6. Now water image of 7 looks something like this. So here option B shows the correct water image of given combination. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. If L denotes divided by, M denotes multiply, P denotes plus, and Q denotes minus, then which of the following statement is true? So according to option A, 32, P it means plus 8, L it means divided by 16, Q it means minus 4 is equals to 3 by 2. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first divide the numbers. 32 plus 8 divided by 16. 8 divided by 16, other you can say 1 by 2, other you can say 0.5. So 32 plus 0.5 minus 4 is equals to 3 by 2. Now add the numbers. 32 plus 0.5, it means 32.5 minus 4 is equals to 3 by 2. Now 32.5 minus 4, it means 28.5 is equals to 3 by 2. So 28.5 never equals to 3 divided by 2. So here option A is a incorrect option. Now taking option B, according to option B, 9, P means plus 9, L it means divided by 9, Q it means minus 9, M means multiply by 9 is equals to minus 71. So first divide the number. So 9 divided by 9 it means 1. So 9 plus 1 minus 9 into 9 is equals to minus 71. Now multiply the numbers. 9 into 9 it means 81. So 9 plus 1 minus 81 is equals to minus 71. 9 plus 1 it means 10 minus 81 is equals to minus 71. Plus 10 minus 81 it means minus 71, always equals to minus 71. So here LHS is equals to RHS. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. If R means addition, T means multiplication, U means division, and S means subtraction, and V means equals to, W means greater than to, X means less than, then which of the following is correct option according to given letter symbol? So taking option A. So now according to option A, 16, T it means multiply by 2, R it means plus 4, U it means divided by 6. Now X means less than to 8. Now using BODMAS rule, so 16 multiply by 2 plus 4 divided by 6, it means 2 by 3, less than to 8. 16 multiply by 2, it means 32 plus 3, 2 by 3, less than to 8. Now LCM is 3. So 3 divided by 1, it means 3 multiply by 32, it means 96 plus 3 divided by 3, it means 1 into 2, it means 2, less than to 8. Now 96 plus 2, it means 98 divided by 3, less than to 8. So 98 divided by 3 is greater than to 8. So here option A is a incorrect option. Now taking option B. According to option B, 16, R it means addition, 2, S it means subtraction, 4, V it means equals to 6, R it means plus 8. Now 16 plus 2, it means 18 minus 4 is equals to 6 plus 8. 18 minus 4, it means 14 is equals to 6 plus 8, it means 14. So here LHS is equals to RHS. So it means option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure Z. So unfold the figure in the same sequence when it was folded and find the image after unfold. So first unfold the Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and find the image of X after cut. So first unfold the Z. So Z will be unfolded in this direction because Y has been folded in this direction. Now Z, unfold the Z, then we get a image something like this, and dotted line shows the folded part. And now find the mirror image of this part. So mirror image of this part will look something like this, and mirror image of this part will look something like this. This is the figure y. Now unfold the y, then we get x. Unfold the y. Y will be unfolded in this direction because x has been folded in this direction. So now unfold the y, then we get a image something like this. This is the x after cut. So here option C, because option C shows the correct unfolded sheet after cut. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. Find the missing term of given series. So find the missing number of given number series. So first find the pattern of the given series. So pattern of the series is 2. It means 1 cube plus 1. It means 2. 9, it means 2 cube plus 1. It means 9. 28, it means 3 cube plus 1. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Similarly, now 4 cube. So 4 cube, it means 64. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Now 4 cube plus 1, it means 65. So here 65 is the missing number of given number series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. 126, it means 5 cube plus 1. 217, it means 6 cube plus 1. 344, it means 7 cube plus 1. So now here option B is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Find the wrong number of given number series. So series is 5, 10, 83, 244, 819, 1634. So first find the pattern of given number series. So pattern of the series is 5 plus 1 cube plus 2 square. 5 plus 1 cube, it means 1, plus 2 square, it means 4. 5 plus 1 plus 4, it means 10. Then we got next term. Now 10 plus 1, 2, now 3 and 4. So 3 square and 4 cube. 3 square, 9 plus 4 cube, it means 64. 9 plus 64, it means 73. 73 plus 10, it means 83. Now 83 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5 and 6. First is cube, then square. Now square, then cube. Now cube and then square. So 5 cube, it means 125 plus 6 square, it means 36. So 83 plus 125 plus 36, it means 244. Now 244 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now 7 and 8. So now cube, square, square, cube, cube, square. Now square, cube. 244 plus 49 plus 512. It means 805. Now 805 plus 9 and 10. 9, it means 9 cube and 10 square. So 805 plus 9 cube, it means 729 plus 100. So 729 plus 100, it means 829 plus 805. It means 1634. So here wrong number is 805 because 119 is the wrong number of given number series. So here option A is the correct answer. So we have finished this paper solution. I hope you understood it very well. If any query or doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the Matrix Olympiad website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And any kind of new information will be shared on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also follow the Matrix WhatsApp channel for new information. To join, click on the link provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.